process producing the finial, as I call it. I'm not so sure that's the right word. Go on the diagonal now. I'm trying to produce a classic Ace of Spades sort of shape. It's the thing I really struggle with. So it's the flat of the hammer till it's the width of the drawn down stock. Okay? This is about the width of the finished thing, yeah? Now, the idea now is to get in with the ball of the hammer, stay behind and keep away from the edge. Okay? So to push the material out from the centre towards the wings, especially down in these corners here. I'm going to start with my regular shoe turning hammer, then I'm going to switch to a ball pane because I won't be able to get in there with this thing, it's too big. I'll start with it anyway. Flatten it out. Obviously trying to keep these wings either side even, which I never do. And there we go. I'm going to sharpen that point a bit, straighten the edges out, and on the heat after that get in with a smaller ball pane hammer. Proving not to be working. I should have had a sharper point on the square taper, shouldn't I? I'm stuck with that now. I'm going to get in with a small ball pane now. Actually it's quite a large ball pane, isn't it? Coming a little bit. I'm cooking in here, I'm telling you. My shape's going to a mess now. This wing here needs to come out a lot more. That edge there is becoming concave. This is where it all gets away from me. This is where the real skill is in this. Something I don't yet possess properly. Try and do the same with the other end now. I can tell you these are definitely not identical, but you know, it'll probably work for a door handle, won't it?